Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang inyong situation 1 year from now, from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So if you're also interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makakapagpabook for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, kamusta kayo, Capricorn? 1 year from now. Kumusta mga Capricorn? 1 year from now. Let's see. Mountain. Ayan. So this is alignment. Earth energy. I feel like you will finally take action sa mga goals mo sa buhay para makita mo na kung ano ang magiging resulta niyan. Hindi na lang siya plano, hindi na lang siya idea, but this is you finally taking action. Kasi ina-align mo na yung goals and dreams mo sa iyong actions. Kasi kung hindi yan in alignment, wala kang makukuhang resulta. 'Di ba? Example, may certain goal ka, tapos nasa idea mo lang yan, pero hindi nag-align yung actions mo kasi pwedeng wala kang ginagawa. But I think 1 year from now, finally, you will take action. Okay? Let's see. Divine Masculine. This is being more creative. So, yung inyong pagiging, yung inyong masculine energy, yung inyong strength, yung lakas ng loob nyo, yan yung mas made-develop nyo pa 1 year from now. You will be more, parang courageous, no? Or parang malakas ang loob na sumubok ng mga bagay that you've never tried before. Oo. This is also being more responsible sa mga obligations, responsibilities na papasukin mo. You have the bee. Ayan. So this is about focus. Fire energy to eh. So I think mas magiging focus ka sa mga goals mo. Ito yung hindi ka magpapadistract sa mga nuisance sa paligid mo, yung mga nakikialam, nakikigulo sa'yo. You will be more focused on paano mo ma-achieve yung mga goals mo na hindi ka na-distract. Okay? And I also feel na mas magiging intense yung energy mo. Like, not to the point na magiging aggressive ka, but I think mas magiging, alam mo yung pagiging cardinal sign mo na may leadership qualities na mas magiging action-oriented ka. Oo. Na hindi mo hahayaan na yung mga ideas mo hindi siya maisakatuparan. Okay? So, di ba ang bee, napaka-busy nila. Busy as a bee. So, I feel like 1 year from now, you're going to be very busy achieving your goals, achieving your dreams. Okay? Ayan. And you are moving towards your success. Okay? Yan yung isa sa magbibigay sa'yo ng inspiration. Yung success na gusto mong ma-experience. Let's see your overall energy. 1 year from now. Speaking of success, you have the Queen of Pentacles. You will be in tune to your earth element, no? Earth element is more grounded, more practical, mas realistic sa mga goals niya. So, I feel like yung resources mo, you have the resources that you need, yung mga pangangailangan mo to expand your career, to expand your business, mas lalo mo pang mapaunlad yung sarili mo in terms of your finances. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the Ten of Swords. So, maaaring magiging challenging sa'yo na mag-let go ng mga bagay na pwedeng toxic sa buhay mo. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga unhealthy habits na kailangan nyo nang i-let go 1 year from now. At isa yan sa challenge sa inyo kung paano nyo yun i-release. Oo, kasi it's about ending a difficult situation, a stressful situation. So that's your challenge. Paano ka babangon ulit dyan? Kasi maaring, ayan yung isa sa dahilan kung bakit that is preventing you or blocking you from achieving your goals and dreams ng mga nakaraan. And 1 year from now, finally maglalakas loob ka na i-let go yung unhealthy habits mo na yan na nakakaapekto sa productivity mo. Your opportunity, the high priestess, which is knowledge, being wise. Oo. So, mas marami kang alam, kakayanan, 1 year from now, especially with your spirituality, with your intuition, yung instinct mo, mas magiging on point. Alam nyo ba na napaka-importante na you are really connected to your higher self kasi yan yung tutulong sa'yo na makapag-decide ng what's best for you. Nang hindi ka nag-aalinlangan na alam mo na ito yung makakabuti para sa'yo. So that's your opportunity as well. Maaaring meron ka rin i-explore na divination, tools for divination 1 year from now. Okay? And then, your blessing is the Hierophant. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kakayanan na maging teacher. No? If yan yung gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay, definitely success is coming to you. You will be blessed. Becoming a teacher, spiritual advisor, mentor, coach, trainer, as long as you are sharing your knowledge, your skills to others, you will be blessed. Okay, let's see your money, career, finances, energy, volunteer. So you are going to share your blessings, no? Masarap mag-share ng blessings. Mas lalo kang mabibless. Babalik sa'yo yon. You also have nature, so I think mas relaxed, no? Alam mo yung tipong busy ka pero mas relax ka kasi alam mo kung ano lang yung dapat mong bigyan ng attention 1 year from now. At anything unnecessary, hindi ka na magsasayang ng oras at panahon mo dyan. You will also give more time sa sarili mo na lumabas, to touch some grass, to pwede rin to travel, enjoy nature, ganyan. What else? You have the 5 of Cups and the Page of Wands. I think yung mga sa tingin mo na mga missed opportunities mo, susubukan mo ulit na mag-explore pa ng ibang bagay na meron kang interest. Kasi itong 5 of Cups is about missed opportunities, regrets. But this person kasi is focusing on dun sa mga bagay na nawala sa kanya, not knowing na marami pang opportunity sa kanya, hindi lang niya napapansin. So I think yan yung isa sa madidiscover nyo, marirealize nyo about your money, career, finances. Ngayon, 1 year from now is to explore other options, no? Na we are living in an abundant world na maraming opportunity sa paligid natin. Kailangan lang natin i-explore yon. Okay? So, I feel like that's what you're going to do 1 year from now, exploring new opportunities in your career, in your business, in your finances. So, your love life, tingnan natin ang love life ng mga Capricorn. Oops, unrequited and deception. So, you may experience a relationship, a connection, romantic connection that parang feeling mo, ikaw lang yung nag-e-effort sa relationship na yan. And pwede rin meron kang makikilala or you will be connected with someone na hindi nagiging totoo sa relationship. So, maaring magigising ka. Ayan, no? 5 of Wands. This is conflict. And the Chariot. I feel like, aalis ka sa ganyang situation, no? Yung hindi ka binavalue ng person mo, na wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, and there are also times na may panloloko pa, hindi pa nagsasabi ng totoo sa'yo. So, it may create conflict, no, or problems sa relationship ninyo. But eventually, mabilis ka lang mag-move on. Okay? You will find your way out from this relationship na toxic. Okay? Let's see what else, Capricorn. Kasi minsan yung iba, no, nakikilala nila yung kanilang soulmate pagkatapos nilang umalis sa isang toxic situation, toxic relationship. Discerning and practical choices bring security in life and love. Yes. Discernment. So, kumbaga, mas magiging matalino ka. That is your opportunity. Mas magiging wiser ka. Mas magiging malakas yung instinct mo in making decisions. At yung decision making mo na rin yan is magiging practical ka rin sa pipiliin mo na alam mong it will add value to your life. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!